Hello everyone, this is Mr. Ege, your user-friendly instructor, and this particular lesson is about circles and arcs, and there are 7 steps of drawing this particular design. It's called 3 yin-yans, and first of all we're going to start with AutoCAD 2010 or later, perhaps 2012. And we're going to start everything with drawing a circle. The circle is going to have a radius of 5 inches or 10-inch diameter. You're going to pick, when you select the circle and radius option command on the AutoCAD, you're going to select the center point, move your cursor to the right, and then you need to type the radius, which is 5 inches in this case. Just you can type 5. Next, we need to draw a line from the center of the circle to the top quadrant point, which is 12 o'clock position, but you need object snap. Object snap must be set when you click on it and select everything. Automatically computer finds the center of the circle. You start your line from the center of the circle, move your cursor approximately to the 12 o'clock position and click on it with the left mouse button and hit enter key. So now we have a single line from the center, extending from center to 12 o'clock, but we need 3 lines. 2 more lines like this, separated by 120-degree angle. Array command is the one that's going to help us. You can type array, or you can move your cursor over the array command. It's going to be polar array as opposed to rectangular array, and array command will prompt you for selecting the line or object to be copied. Array means multiple copies, by the way. And then center, so you click on the center of the circle, and then you need to enter number of the copies, which is 3, and then you need to enter the total angle that it turns 360. Hit enter key, and you have now 3 lines copied. Now after that we need to create an inner circle, which is going to be radius of 3.5 inch radius. As you can see, you can select the center circle command. You can select the center point of the first circle and move your cursor to the right, and then you need to enter 3.5 inches. Now we need to create another circle that's going to be tangent, so that's why we're selecting tangent, tangent, tangent circle. And you need to select 3 tangency conditions, inner circle first and 2 lines. After the tangent, tangent, tangent circle command, it automatically creates circles for you. So far so good. We have created 3 circles that are tangent to the inner circle and 3 lines. We can erase now the exterior interior circle. Now we need to create an arc. That particular arc has to be tangent to the one of the circles, and then also it's almost tangent to the outside circle. So first point, second point, and angle arc. There are different kinds of arcs, and this particular arc is first point, second point, and angle. Our first point is a tangent point to its inner circle, and the second point is the approximately where you see across the second inner circle, and then you determine where the angle is going to be by moving your cursor. Again, starting point, you picking the starting point, and the end point is going to be exterior, outside circle, and finally you have to determine what the angle is going to be. You're going to have to select an angle that is tangent to the circle that you have chosen initially. You do that one more time. Start point, end point, and the angle by selection of your cursor location. Click. Now we can erase some of the lines that we don't need anymore. For example, those 3 lines are not needed, so delete key, press the delete key after selecting it. we need to use the trim command. In the trim command, line cuts line. So after the trim command, you select all of the lines because enter key, and then after that you need to select the lines to cut off. Okay, and now we created the three yin yangs. Now we need to color inside of this. To color inside, we're going to use boundary hatch command, and you can play with the arc if you want to, but in this case looks good. You don't have to do that. Boundary hatch will enable you to fill the pattern or solid color. Select the solid color option. You select the color that you choose. When blue color, you pick the area. Inside the area, click enter key, and this establishes the color. Enter key again. Command comes back. Boundary edge command, change the color. You pick the area and click on it. Enter key again. The command comes back. Change the color again to yellow. Move your cursor over the area you want to color. Enter key again, and this is done. Thank you very much for watching me carefully, and I would like you to do this design on your own AutoCAD. And if you have any problems, call me, of course. But after you finish this project, I want